Hello, happy to share one of the best days of the month. Today I received my packages I've been waiting for. I'm going to open all of this with you guys here. This is my first box. All these products are for stress away, super cal and agilis, calcium, and for the joints I got copaiba and purification oil, brightening cleanser. This is a new product. I just bought it to try. Let me just open this box. So we have something new. And one of the best I've been waiting for. My Calm Roller CBD. We have a surprise here. And got on the promo this nice little bag. It's a cooler, mini cooler. So this is amazing. I got more to open, so I'm gonna keep putting these things on the side. So every month I order different products to try them. Oh, soap for the home. I get packed and stocked with all my soap, so I make a purchase of one order and I use them throughout the month. So we have more of my chopsticks. This is gonna be a little bit messy today. Let me get this out. If you don't know John Living, we highly recommend to use their products, organic and chemical free. Oh, been waiting to get my carrier oil to do my rollers, and the refill for the foam and ham soap as well. Oops. And the best cleaning product ever. So this is one of the products that I don't stop having at home. I use them everywhere. Oops, spilling a little bit, so I may have to leave it here and then take it and clean it. But the tips to clean. And here we have the last one. So I get stock for 2 or 3 months when I need to. I don't lie to you. Here it is, another one of my best. So for those who doesn't know, I have a yoga studio, so I use at the yoga studio as well all cleaning, natural, organic free products. So we have 2 bottles of this. I feel like I'm opening a Christmas tree. And this is the last. But this is a different order because this is coming out of my essential rewards. And I want to show you what an essential rewards does for you. Essential rewards is how you get rewarded for buying your products. 1 and 2 of the Ninja Red. So here it is. Happy to share. We can go and talk about every single product, but it's not the time. I can go one by one in another opportunity. This is what it calls essential rewards, which is amazing for me. I keep Ninja in my house for everybody in the family. Everybody drinks Ninja. My mom, my daughter, everyone. My partner in crime. So just to share a little bit of my side when I said that I use the products, and I truly believe in a chemical-free lifestyle. You have to really honor what you believe. Have a lovely day.